You know, and I know, that health care is one of those fundamental struggles. Because if you're one of the tens of millions of Americans who have no health insurance, you live every day just one accident or illness away from bankruptcy. And contrary to some of the myths out there, these aren't primarily people who are deep in poverty. A lot of those folks are on Medicaid. These are people who are working every day. These are middle-class Americans. Maybe your employer doesn't offer coverage. Maybe you're self-employed and you can't afford it because it costs you 3 times more in the marketplace than it does for big companies. Maybe you're one of the millions of Americans who denied coverage because of a previous illness or condition. No fault of your own, but insurance companies decide it's too risky or too expensive for you to cover. In the last 12 months alone, 6 million more Americans lost their health insurance. 6 million more. Today we received more disturbing news. A new report from the Treasury Department found that nearly half of all Americans under 65 will lose their health coverage at some point over the next 10 years. Think about that. More than 1/3 will go without coverage for longer than 1 year. We got to do something.